So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the adapters are missing from your list on of your drivers on your system. Now, if you are if the adapters are missing right there, the network adapter or the Bluetooth adapter, how you can fix that? Now, in order to fix that, just simply first of all go to Windows update section and make sure that there is no pending update because it will automatically install that particular driver for you. For example, in my case there's update, and if it still does not, simply open the browser and paste and write the exact name of your driver. For example, in my case it is MediaTek Wi-Fi. You can easily find it on your settings and hit the Windows 11 download and download that particular Wi-Fi driver, and you can manually install them as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.